If you want to block someone on Netflix, whether it's to prevent them from accessing your account or to manage your viewing experience, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by opening the Netflix app or website and logging into your account with your username and password. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings. You can find this option by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Manage Profiles. In the Account Settings, scroll down to the Profile and Parental Controls section. Here, you will see a list of profiles associated with your account. Step 4. Select the profile to block. Choose the profile of the person you want to block. Click on the profile name to access its settings. Step 5. Delete the profile. To block the person, you can delete their profile by selecting the Delete Profile option. Confirm the action and the profile will be removed from your account. By following these steps, you can effectively block someone from accessing your Netflix account. If you need further assistance, consider reaching out to Netflix support for more options.